Experience lightning-fast performance with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This powerhouse chip ensures seamless multitasking and gaming, elevating your mobile experience to unprecedented heights. Stay cool under pressure with Honor's 3D cooling system. Its 5,514mm VC heatsink and graphite elements efficiently dissipate heat, maintaining optimal performance during intense gaming sessions. Never be tethered to an outlet with 100-watt wired charging. Power up your 5,300 mAh battery in record time, ensuring you're always ready to go, whether for work or play. Elevate your gaming experience with the Asus ROG Phone 9 series, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Enjoy a 45% boost in CPU performance and a 40% faster GPU, ensuring seamless gameplay and superior graphics. Dive into the action with confidence. Stay cool under pressure with a cutting-edge cooling system featuring a 57% larger graphite sheet and improved fan blades. Experience 29% better cooling efficiency, keeping your device at optimal performance even during the most intense gaming sessions. Capture stunning visuals with a 50-megapixel main camera equipped with a 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilization. The improved stabilization offers +5 degrees correction, ensuring sharp, clear images and videos, perfect for both professional and casual photography. Honor GT vs Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro. The Honor GT measures 161mm in length, while the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro is slightly longer at 163.8mm, giving it a more substantial feel in hand. Weighing in at 196 grams, the Honor GT is notably lighter compared to the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro, which tips the scales at 227 grams, making it a bit heftier for prolonged use. The Honor GT features a 6.7-inch display, while the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro offers a slightly larger 6.78-inch screen, enhancing your viewing experience for gaming and media consumption. The Honor GT boasts a dual-camera system with a 50-megapixel wide lens and a 12-megapixel ultrawide, delivering impressive versatility. In contrast, the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro's 50-megapixel main camera with gimbal OIS and a 32-megapixel telephoto lens provides exceptional stability and clarity, especially for action shots. The Honor GT offers various configurations up to 1 TB with 16 GB RAM, while the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro also supports up to 1 TB but with a staggering 24 GB RAM, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and gaming. With a resolution of 1200 by 2664 pixels, the Honor GT surpasses the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro's 1080 by 2400 pixels, ensuring sharper visuals and a more immersive experience. The Honor GT is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro features the more advanced Snapdragon 8 Elite, providing enhanced performance and efficiency for demanding tasks. The Honor GT packs a 5300 mAh battery, sufficient for daily use, but the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro's 5800 mAh battery offers even longer gaming sessions without the need for frequent recharging. For selfies, the Honor GT has a 16-megapixel front camera, while the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro takes the lead with a 32-megapixel selfie shooter, ensuring sharper and more detailed self-portraits. The Honor GT is IP65 rated for dust and water resistance, but the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro takes it a step further with an IP68 rating, allowing for deeper immersion in water without worry. The Honor GT utilizes the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, while the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro features the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is designed for peak performance in gaming and intensive applications. The Honor GT sports a vibrant AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, while the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro's LTPO AMOLED display offers a higher 185Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth gaming experiences. The Honor GT includes innovative features like zero-risk PWM dimming and AI protection for your eyes, while the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro boasts adaptive refresh rates and a 720Hz touch sampling rate for lightning-fast responsiveness. The Honor GT can record in 4K at 30 FPS, providing great quality, but the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro excels with its ability to capture 8K video alongside 4K at various frame rates, making it a top choice for videographers. The Honor GT comes with a suite of smart features like AI translation and gaming enhancements, while the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro is equipped with advanced gaming tools, including air trigger controls and AI noise cancellation for an immersive experience. The Honor GT is priced between $350 to $500, making it a budget-friendly option, whereas the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro is positioned at a premium price of around $1,300, reflecting its advanced capabilities and features.